Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful stitch pattern which is a puff granny square. Puff stitch granny square. I have the puffs on each sides, and of course this will consume more yarn. That's absolutely no doubt about it. But it gives a very good fabric to hold, feel and use it. Okay. In this particular granny square sample, I have used 3 HTCs for the puff. You can use 5 HTCs, 4 HTCs as per the requirement of your project. So let us go into the video without much delay, friends. Make a magic circle, a magic ring, and secure it with your loop. And in this magic ring, we are going to place 3 half DC puffs. So chain 1, it does not count as a stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all the loops but for the last one. Sorry, it's got stuck somewhere. Yeah, it got stuck somewhere. Let us do it again. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, yarn over and again thrice, and secure this puff. Chain 2, again a puff. So chain 2 puff 7 more times, make 7 more times. I shall meet you when I complete this puff stitches. We have come to the end of the round here, round 1. Now slip stitch to the first puff join, and here itself you have to make the corner. So the corner is a double crochet, chain 2, a double crochet, all in the same stitch. This corner is done worked on the puff stitch. Chain 2 now, go over to the chain 2 space. In the chain 2 space, make a puff stitch. HTC 3 times, pull through, again chain 2, puff in the next chain 2 space. Chain 2. Now we have to make the corner. Corner is made on the puff. So here we make 1 double, chain 2, 1 double. So continue in this manner. On the sides you have 2 puffs and a corner on the puff itself. So continue this pattern, stitch pattern, and complete it. I shall also complete and get back to you. We've come to the end of the round here. I placed my last puff stitch and this first corner is already done. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners we have. Chain 2 and slip stitch to the first DC that we made here, or the third chain of first chain 5 if you done 3 chains plus 2 chains. Okay, yeah, this is the stitch we have to pick up. That only will go and hide behind. It's hiding and it will give me trouble always. Yes. Now slip stitch to the chain space. We begin with the corner. Make a standing double crochet, chain 2, a double crochet in the same space. Now chain 2. We are going to work on the sides. We are going to place 1 puff under every chain 2 space here. 1, 2, 3. These 2 will become 3 on this round. It is round 3 and 3 puffs on all sides. Each side. 3 puffs on each side. Okay. So let us make one side. 1, 2. If you want a thicker fabric, you should increase the puff size. That is, you should do with 4 HTCs, 5 HTCs and so on. Chain 2, chain 2, wide it up, yeah, a puff between the puff and the corner, chain 2 and the corner now. Corner is always single DC, chain 2, single DC. Oh, sorry, yes, done. Corner is done. So this is the stitch repeat. Complete this stitch repeat for one more round. Fourth round you'll have 4 puff stitches, fifth round 5 puff stitches. You can make it to any size you want. I'm going to make fourth round and stop over there. Okay, so I shall complete the fourth row and get back to you. Sorry, fourth round and get back to you. Every round the number of puff stitches will increase by 1 puff on each side. So that is the simple calculation in this puff stitch pattern. It's similar to granny stitch square. Only thing, instead of the 3 granny DCs, we are using the puff stitch here. Okay. Here we go. Here we have the puff stitch granny square worked with, these puffs are worked with 3 half double crochets. We can work, if we work with 5 half double crochets, this fabric will become very thick, and as per the convenience of your project, you can use the puff stitch, either the thinner one or the thicker one, like 3, 4, 5, how many ever half DCs together you make, so much thicker it will become. Okay, so thank you friends for watching this small video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the new videos that we upload every other day. Okay, do like and share our videos too. I shall be back with another pattern in the next video, friends. Bye for now. Have a great day.